This is an incredibly special package, and I know what it is because I was contacted about it before I even knew that it was coming. This is from Rituel De Fille. Now that's really cool because I've never gotten anything from them and I absolutely love their products. Everything that I've tried so far, oh my god. But this is actually a collab with one of my friends, one of my lovely mutuals. But I think I have like kind of an idea what's in here, hence why I took off some eyeshadow and I literally can't even wait till tomorrow. I cannot wait. I need to use these right now. I could cry. I actually got a little weepy earlier and I was like, okay, we gotta lock in. We gotta lock in. So first of all, this is a collaboration with Andromeda. You've seen me talk about them time and time again. I absolutely love and adore them so very much. On my stories, I've reposted their looks I don't know how many times. Anyway, God, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just freaking open it. I need to use it. Stop. Ooh. It's a little secret note, okay? This is a secret for me and not for you. And I'm a Scorpio and I love secrets. Stop, dude, this is so cool. Viridescent? I'm sorry, what? A love letter to the color green in 3 radiant limited edition shades. I'm gonna read this really quick. Just let me read this really quick because I'm sure you'll be seeing details and stuff everywhere. If not from me, from a lot of my mutuals and a lot of just like wonderful people doing wonderful looks. I'm so excited. Dude, already, I'm sorry, but it says green is the color of dualities. How many times have I said, what is that? The duality. How many times? If you've watched my streams. Most of the time I'd say it there. I'm gonna start crying. Andromeda, together we have lured new green hues out of our laboratory to create an inspiring new limited edition collection. Oh, it's limited edition. I will be ordering backups, I don't care. These shades are extraordinary glints of light in the darkness. The shadowy shifts of translucent dragon wings, the glimmer of dewdrops on soft moss, the glowing wisps of eternal light in the sky above. Oh! 3 entirely new shades that create viridescent visage, Medusa enchanted lip sheer, a hint of shadow, a subtle kiss of green iridescence running throughout, Borealis rare light cream luminizer, the perfect veil of translucent glow with a natural green iridescent shift. Oh my god, I'm literally not even wearing a highlight today. And olivine ash and ember eye soot. A rich mossy green, olive green eye with neutral shimmer like morning dewdrops. Let's go. Sorry. Oh my god. Courtney, to be able to create such a perfect love letter to the color green with my favorite brand is a dream come true. No, really, I've had literal dreams about this. I am so sure. Oh my god, I'm so sure I can only imagine. Yes! About this multiple times over the last few years. The specific tone, product, and name I wanted for each shade in the collection was very intentional. It really is me in a collection. I hope that comes across. That is so powerful. That is so powerful. I feel like I have like a little piece of like their soul already and I haven't even opened it. Can't wait to see the magic you create with everything. This is truly so special. Also, the paper is so nice. It's like silvery. God, I'm so excited. It's a little sticker with a little snake. I love snakes. Andromeda. Oh, this is so special. I feel like I should have like done my hair or something. I don't know. Enchanted lip sheer. Are you kidding me? Oh, it smells good. It smells like Fruity Pebbles kind of. I'm gonna tell you right now, I will be doing multiple looks with this. I already know I want to buy a backup of this. That looks like it's kind of great. Stop. Dude, oh. Oh my god, my god. Okay, shut up, actually. Hey, shut up. Actually, I'm so sorry, I'm getting aggressive. Okay, yeah, no, maybe two backups of this. Buildable, beautiful color that feels like a balm. I would agree with that. That feels phenomenal on my lips. It's not sticky whatsoever. The color, do I actually need to say anything? Do you see the like green? Woo! Rare light cream luminizer. Dude. Whoa. Oh my god. Just gonna give it like a little swirl. Okay, okay. Does this not look exactly like something I've been talking about and searching for and endlessly yapping about? Stop, stop. I'm actually gonna apply this right now, just kind of on the tops of my... Now, I have makeup on, like I have powder on. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. That is so cute. That is so cute. And the inner corner, because that is, I need to, right now. Stop. Stop. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. I think I have to use everything right now, honestly. I also like the little details in all of the packaging. Cast your gaze by firelight. Look upon that which is unburnt. Behold that which is transformed. Rituel De Fille. I don't really know what you're saying, but I like it. Magically pigmented potion for smoldering one and done eye looks. Okay. Stop. No. Dude. Now, my nails are a little bit long. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, that feels soft. Dang it, my nail got in it. I am going to take the tiniest bit and just snack it on my lid right now. This isn't anything that technical. I just want to see. Andromeda! I'm gonna pick it up on a brush and just kind of see if I can... Wow. I'm gonna like kind of blend it out. Oh my god. Ooh, oh my god. Okay. Oh, that feels quality too. Like that blend was... Wow. Oh, okay. So you can build it up and you can honestly look at how good that was with a brush. Dang. Okay, let me kind of bring it up a little bit higher and see what happens. I like that as I'm shearing it out, like, I don't know, you're getting more like depth to the shade. It's not just like green. Look at how well that inner corner looks with that too. Oh my God. I'm going to be using this again tomorrow. That is wild. That is so good. That is such a, like, in my opinion, such a wonderful, like, grungy kind of green. This turns out actually I need many backups of this as well. Many backups of everything. I will predict. Yeah. So if y'all sell it out before I can get there, we're gonna have a problem. This is also glass. I just want to note that as well. Like, everything feels very quality. I am used to this component because of intuition that I use and honestly use today, use it pretty much daily. Everything smells really good too. Like, you've heard me talk about Rituel De Fille before. It has that kind of like ginger, kind of like spicy smell. But then things, I think it's bergamot. Like, a couple people in the comments were like, if you're smelling Fruity Pebbles and lavender and it feels like it's more expensive, it might be bergamot, which is, I think, true. However, I have to say, like, these greens, not only is it very much, yeah, like, I look at this and I'm like, oh, you know who would like this? You know who'd really... The person who made it. This lip is definitely something that I'm losing my mind about because if you know me, I love like gray tone lips. It has this like coolness, but the way that it is texture wise and that bit of green in it, woo! These feel like, to me, very, very unique. However, very familiar at the same time. And I don't know if it's just because I got like dualities on the brain, but it feels like something that, like, duh, of course I were to have had this, but also it feels incredibly unique. I don't know how to explain like the way that I'm feeling it. So I'm just gonna verbalize it a little. Andromeda, I am so proud of you. This is really, really stunning. I feel like these go together so cohesively well. Let me swatch them on my hand. And the longer that I sit here with that eye soot like on my eye, God, that is very much a one and done kind of shade. I will let you know how it wears because I've never worn these before. I've also never tried the highlights. I also just quickly want to take a minute to acknowledge the fact that this is really cool to get from Rituel De Fille. Like, this is really cool to get like this collection. But on the bigger picture, I think this is really special to receive this kind of collection that's so deeply tied to Andromeda, your like passion for this color and these products and this company and just like everything. There's probably a million billion details in this, and that to me feels very like, I don't know, that feels really special. And it just like, it warms my heart. I know the beauty space can be kind of like lonely and scary. And this just, this is a real treat for me. Anyway, here they are swatched on my hands. I am not the best at swatches. Also, I have cat scratches and lip liner, and just it is what it is. Please look at their Instagram and anyone else who will be posting about this to see swatches and just like all the beautiful work. Really stunning stuff. I really like that there's like a translucent base to the highlight as well, and like, God, the eye, like and the lip, these just are so perfect together. I think these are so wonderful. I feel like they tie in really well while also being like good on their own. Really, that inner corner, but the eye, dude, the lip. Honestly, job well done. Bravo. I wish you all the best with this. I'm so excited to create so many looks already. Like, I want to do my makeup again right now. But thank you so much and congratulations. This is so good. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Wow. Andromeda. God, it's so good.